Hi guys, so for today I'm playing emergency homework doing my job. So let's get to my job. So boring. Have nothing to do. Like I just come around. Then I got stuck by a rock. Um, now push this. Push that. Oh no. No! This thing is heavy. Eh, I need to push it in here and push it there. Maybe it will work this time. Yes, finally. Guys, I need to grab a snack, so I'm gonna park here for a bit. Okay, I need to get a snack. Okay guys, I'm back. And what just happened? Yo, what just happened? What? I need to push this. Oh, what happened? I was parking. No, I'm stuck. I'm here. I need light. I'll skip the video and I'll try to get this out. So I'll skip it. So guys, I called emergency and I'm waiting for it. I'm just gonna stay here. I didn't got out. I didn't got the car out of the water. So I'll skip when the emergency are here. Guys, I think they're not coming. This is so you get this car stuck. Just get a snack and park there. So mad. So guys, you know what I'll do? Goodbye, I'll rage quit. See you tomorrow.